Alright, came to Brookside, looking to find the trail with a waterfall. Look, we found a pond that leads to a little stream there. I would like to actually follow that, but never mind. Onwards. Alrighty, it's similar to Kayuda. It's hard, huh? It's maybe steeper than Kayuda, but it's fun. Alright, so we've left the road and we've entered some kind of rubber plantation, and there's a place they're going up. We're gonna see where it goes. The jungle gets thicker. Okay, we are in the jungle now, but this trail, oh my god, spider webs. No one's been here in a while. We're here. Might as well see where it goes now. Okay, the trail has ended, whatever it was. It's a shame though, because there is something really beautiful, and I would love to get there. But that shows that there's not really any trail anymore. I mean, I'll try to stomp through, get bitten by a few snakes. I'd love to get there if I can. Well, that's sad. There's no possible way through anymore. Turning around. Alrighty. So we're going back now. Going down the mountain. And this is what it looks like. There's my view. Very beautiful. I'll be happy when I'm out of here though, because it just rained and I'm pretty sure there are snakes about. Back to civilization. Alrighty, we are back. We are back to the road. Not really successful, not yet. Didn't find the waterfall, but I guess we'll keep looking. Alright, I saw a little road, I took it. We're back in the forest again, and there are all these little streams. A bunch of streams go up into the mountain, so let's see where it goes. So that trail didn't lead to anything. It just kept on going, and I don't have time to go through the entire rubber plantation, so we're back on the road again, looking for the ribbons. Okay, we found some nice people, and I think we're going to the waterfall now. We're in the jungle again. A long way to go. Made it to the waterfalls. ได้แล้วคุณเต้กับคุณเล็กครับผมพาเรามาครับ Should have taken off my glasses. Alrighty. I came another way to another waterfall. There's no track to go. I had to make my own. It's pretty cool, pretty fun. Look at that. Now the arduous task of going back the way I came. I made it to the waterfall. One of the waterfalls. Ugh. Ugh. Oh look, the tree got struck by lightning. I don't know if you can see. Right there. Got struck by lightning. Mini snake. Mini snake. Meow. Going into the bushes. Fathead wheel. Okay. We made it to the waterfall. Battery's dying. But we're going back now for real. See you next time, I guess. Bye bye.